In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to activate Bitget Wallet. So activating Bitget Wallet is pretty easy. Head over to your Play Store and App Store actually, if you're on an iPhone, and simply search in here for Bitget Wallet. Once you do that, you're going to be installing it. So you can see if you have Bitget Wallet, you can click on Get, and it is going to be asking you about your permission. Enter in here your password, and once you do, you will be able to activate it, right? So you can see you can simply cancel it, and it is going to be asking you. Of course, it does require password, but once you have it, you're going to be activating it by simply creating an account. So head over to your creating section, and once you do, in that you have your wallet. So that's how easy it is. Or you can head over to your Bitget application. You can use your wallet from there as well. Head over to assets. So this is basically your wallet as well, and kind of same thing, and I suggest you using this because this has a lot more features as well. Thank you so much for watching.